How Good is God? In 7 days, this book helps you erase the static, filter the noise, and hear God's goodness in your real life. Start today. Death, heaven, and hell, we got it wrong. We don't just have it wrong. We were taught a version that entirely missed the audacious goodness of God. There is a difference between getting it and having it. The get implies it was attained and achieved by us. To have means we are simply in possession of it. This author started life out spiritually blind. I simply was not in possession with it. I failed to recognize how good God is, and therefore I was not in possession of the truth. And this is my letter, a manifesto, so to speak. It's not a fiction story or a memoir. Those accounts and journeys are written in the unfinished book. At its foundation, a letter is simply an epistle. The Greek word for epistle, which literally means message or letter. The difference lies in the message weight and purpose. Historically, an epistle carries the authority of a formal blueprint designed for teaching and enduring impact. While this book conveys foundational truth with that same weight, my intent is to offer you both. The powerful philosophy of an epistle delivered through the relational intimacy of a personal letter. This is a direct conversation designed not to keep you at a distance, but to draw you into the heart of realizing how good God is. I've observed that if any individuals who prevail in a high competitive environment have one thing in common besides success, it's failure and their ability to overcome it. That's a quote from Bill Walsh, head coach, San Francisco 49ers. My intent of this letter is to point to you true north and believe in you. The reader, the listener, even if you find my words challenging or hard to understand, I exercise the one faith, one body, one baptism, one spirit belief, trusting that the genuine heart of the letter of this book will sustain a conversation rooted in our mutual love of God. This letter is written in freedom, remembering the religious prison I once inhabited and honoring the individuals who encouraged me not to conform. To believe God in the unusual, to see Jesus in the simplicity, to ask many questions, to ask for forgiveness as often as the room fills with tension, to follow the passions of my heart. For every cause, there is a reason or effect. Jesus paid for it all. He is the guarantee to every right thought we choose to employ. And that guarantor lives inside of you and I, regardless of our permissions. So, our guarantee is the Christ likeness in you, in me, in us. How good is God? This is your answer. He secured the truth inside of you. How good is God? In 7 days, this book helps you erase the static, filter the noise, and hear God's goodness in your real life. Grab your copy today.